Hello, so in this video we're going to be creating a platform for our 60-inch HD wave bars. These are the 60-inch. They do come in a very long and big pallet. This is your indicator, and inside we have the wave bars. They come with 2 cables. And these are your wave bars. They do have handles on the side. If you plan on, using them in a mobile free application, but you can also permanently install these and build your own scale with them. So I will be going over a method a way you can do it with just using wood. My other video, we did one for 24-inch wave bars, regular ones with metal. But this one we're going to use wood. So I'm going to unpack this, and then I have some scrap wood here. Simple top board and a couple scraps of wood that I was able to find that were all the same size. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting this in a little bit to about 20 inches. And then cutting each one of these beams to 20 inches long, and we're going to use this to put along the board to prevent it from bowing and to create a platform that we can put on top of the wave bars. So I went ahead and pulled out the wave bars. Here they are, the 60-inch wave bars. These are the HDs. Very heavy duty. They're full beam rather than a half beam. The half beams are the regular wave bars. They come with the stainless steel, the galvanized feet. So this one's rated for 20,000 pounds. For this video, obviously, this piece of wood is not going to work for 20,000 pounds. You would probably want to use metal, but this is just for demonstration purposes of what possibilities you can do with, this size wave beam, not necessarily the capacity. So I went ahead and cut my pieces. I have a bunch of these support beams that I can run along here if I wanted to, and then put my, put my plate on top, my platform on top. This will just provide support if, I am going to be loading it up pretty heavy. And then what I would do is, drill those to the top plate. And then secure it using these bolt holes through the wood. Is probably what I would do. I'd probably go right here, and I have a bolt sandwiching this together and putting it and turning it into one piece. So this is an example of how you can set this up. It's very similar to the way I had it for the metal base. And you can see the bolts are on the top side, and then I run them straight through with a nice support beam across. If this was wider, we would want to worry about it bowing in the center, but since it's very short, very skinny, this is just extra, but I would recommend putting a beam like this across to prevent bowing in the center. You don't want any bowing as far as the platform when you're weighing. So this would be a way to prevent that, and I would run more of these through the center, and I would screw them on so they don't move. And that would prevent this from bowing with this gap here. You can also go directly from the way bar to the platform and get rid of this if you're going to be going, if it's going to be skinny like this and you're not going to be going as heavy. But if you are going to go heavy, I'd recommend putting support beams all the way down the center and then securing it with bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and then put the feet on, and then we'll take a look and I'll show you what the Boeing would look like. So this would be sort of a wood platform you can use. As you can see right now, with zero support, it bends very easily. So with these extra pieces of wood, what we can do is we can put them in here and I can fasten them. It won't bow. Secured it with a bolt so it doesn't move, so I know my mark and the beams are going to be in the right spot. So now what I can do is I can stick these and put them layered across the back side. To provide some support to it. It's a very thin piece of wood. There it is. So here's the platform with the support beams. You could still use it by the handle. You can probably get 2 people to carry it. For wood, it's pretty sturdy. And now I'm going to plug it in and see what kind of results we get. So this is the video for these are the 60-inch 5-foot way bars HD series. The HD series is the only one that comes with a stainless steel indicator and stainless steel cables, and the bolts galvanized feet. The regular series does come with a rubber foot and a little bit different of an indicator. The indicator is going to be plastic, so it's more an indoor use scale, whereas the HD is more meant for heavy duty and outside use. So these are going to be weather resistant, and as you can see, very accurate. So take a look at our website, SellEtonscales.com, for more sizes. These come in 24 36, 40, and 48 inch as well. So 2 feet, 3 feet, 40 inch, 4 foot, and 5 feet inch wave beams, 5 feet wave beams, HT and regular. If you have any questions, give us a call or find us on our website or email us. Thank you very much.